feeling right now? Anong...
Well, I guess more than my feeling is yung feeling ng team eh. Ako, first game ko pa lang to sa UP eh. Sila, this is their first, I think, UAAP win in about 23 months. Bali 2 years na din sa kanila yan. So I'm sure the boys are very ecstatic. Nakakapagbigay naman ng magandang panimula para sa UP. Pasalamat kami sa UP administration, si President Roman, Chancellor Sergio Cao, and of course, we want to thank the support of the UP Alumni Association, headed by Regent Chitong Rivera and team managers Jay Castro and Bert Mendoza.
Nung bali yung first quarter, medyo naging tentative yung mga boys mo.
Okay pa naman yun. I think we were down 9, but we missed 10 free throws. Gave up a couple of offensive rebounds. Junkie had hit 9 points already. So we knew that we were fine. Total, malayo pa naman yung game. 3 quarters pa kami.